Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle, Mr. D1 at blogspot.com. It's July 27th, 2021. I'm in my choral music classroom. I am preparing for next year. And I want to take a moment of gratitude because I have something to share that I got in my classroom after a lot of work on my part and on the part of our choral chair in the county where I teach, DeKalb County, Georgia. So there are my new choral music risers. See the safety bars on the back? Wenger put them together for me. And this, listen to this. There's no creaking when I walk across them, like I'm walking on them right now. There's no creaking, there's no wobbling. I know it seems like, I don't know what it seems like. I have always worked in districts that didn't have super awesome materials and I just was okay with it. But I watched students fall off the back of my old risers and I heard the creaky sounds of things that felt unsafe. And so 3 or 4 years ago, our district got some taxpayer approved money for the music program. And I was very grateful. I did the paperwork as many of us do. And I dotted every I and crossed every T. And that was, I think, 2019. Maybe March, and I was against the wall with like musical and festival, but I got all the paperwork done and then the stuff didn't come. And that was August of 2019. So I sent more emails and I did what we all do, what you do, what I do, and nothing came. And then I kind of had given up. Like I was just like gonna just let it go and say, you know what? I'm not going to fight for this because I'm tired of fighting. It shouldn't be that hard, right? So another deadline came in, I don't know, the spring of 2021, after a lot of details that I'm just going to spare you. But I saw the deadline coming and I just threw the stuff together and tried one more time, and here they are. And I'm so grateful that my kids will be safe. I'm sorry that anyone has to work this hard to get the things that they need for their kids. I think that a lot of public schools are underfunded, for sure, understaffed. The people who are put in charge of the money don't have the support that they need. And I just want to say right now, I'm not going to say the name because I didn't ask permission, but the person who is the choral chair for this county, DeKalb County, Georgia, is the person who at the end of the day dotted the I's and crossed the T's and helped this happen. So y'all keep working for what you need for your kids because someone will be there.